y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I am reviewing the Sensational wet lace wig in the style ZELENA. So off rip, ZELENA is one of my favorites. I really love this unit. Like, I love everything about this unit, y'all. So first off, let me start off by saying that she is in the color 1B, and yeah, I really love this unit. It looks so cute. She is an HD unit, and y'all, they perfected the HD unit, period. Okay, like, that's all I have to say. Look how melted this wig is into my skin. The wig also came pre-plucked, and it also has baby hair. Honestly, I can't stand doing baby hairs, especially on synthetic units. It is a, you know, it's a process, but it came out so cute. Overall, this entire unit looks so realistic to me, y'all. Like, I love it so much. It looks so natural. The parting space, it goes so deep, y'all. I think that this is like a 7-inch parting space. I think it's like 7 instead of 6. I think this one is 7 because this one is like really far back, and I love that. I love that for us. She gives off a realistic look. I love that it doesn't have that synthetic shine to it. It looks so natural. I love the curls on this wig. I love the length to the wig. I believe this wig is probably like, I would say 18 inches, maybe like 18 to 20 inches, I would say this wig is between those two, but it's the perfect length for me. Honestly, I'm used to like wearing long wigs, and this one is like, this is like mid-length, and I love it so much. It's the perfect length for me. I didn't get the jet black this time, and I love the 1B. Like, I love everything about this wig, y'all. This wig is like perfect. I love how they're starting to add some baby hairs on it. More of a guide to the baby hairs, because before I used to have to actually go into the hairline, figure out where I want to put the baby hair, but they give it pre-plucked now. So kudos to Sensational, because y'all are really getting up there. Like, I've always liked Sensational wet lace units, but y'all are really like showing out. The only thing is, it's just that I wish that the wig was just a little bit bigger, like really big head friendly. And they give me enough space, but I just be wanting a little bit more space on my wig. Like, but everything else, literally, y'all, I love this wig. So Miss ZELENA, okay, this is Miss ZELENA, and she didn't come to play with anybody. I think that I'm going to actually I love her in the middle part, but I think that I want to put like a side part. I want to show y'all how she look in a side part as well. So hold on just a second. So this is how she look in a side part, right? It just flows into the side part so effortlessly. This wig is so cute. The side part is even cute. Like, y'all see how quick I did that side part? If y'all are gonna wear it in a side part though, if you're willing to do that, you would just, you know, define the parting a little bit more, and, you know, just flatten it. I would flatten it with like a hot comb or curling wine, whatever. But she is absolutely gorgeous, y'all. Like, she is like the perfect wig. Perfect length. The density of this wig, perfect all around. And like, I'm so happy that I actually purchase this unit because she's worth it. She is a unit that is worth the coin. Honestly, I'm not even a side part girl. I'm not. Like, every time I wear a wig, I'll do a middle part. Y'all always gonna see me do a middle part. If I do a side part, then either the wig came as a side part already, or that would have to really be the only time I do side parts. But this wig, I would definitely wear this wig as a side part. Definitely. It's like the curls will go whichever way and it will work with you. This wig, all right, she's one of my top favorites out of all of my synthetic wigs that I've reviewed. She's like literally top 5. She's top 3 because come on, just look at her. She works with you, okay? So with this wig, I feel like the texture of this wig is like giving like a light yaki type of texture, just like a light yaki feel and look to it. And I love that because I feel like it looks more natural that way. And I feel like when it gives off like a natural look, who gonna tell me that this is synthetic? Y'all won't even know that it's synthetic unless I tell y'all it's synthetic. Like, honestly, if y'all think that this wig looks synthetic, y'all can let me know, okay? Maybe I'm just a little too hype about it, but I really think that this wig is so natural looking. So she come in so many different colors, y'all. Let me just show you. Don't look at my nails. She come in so many different colors, so best believe I'm getting another color. And I don't know which color I'm gonna get yet, but y'all gonna see. If you stay in tune, then you're gonna see which color I get next. But trust and believe, y'all gonna see another ZELENA wig on my channel because come on, like, she is so cute. I love it. I think that this wig is just absolutely gorgeous. I'm really happy about this wig. I'm so happy that I got this wig because I don't know, like, she's so cute, and I keep repeating it, I know, but I'm not lying, y'all. Believe me, I give 100% honest reviews. I am not lying for anyone. Trust and believe, y'all are gonna like this wig if you purchase it. It is so worth it. That is really it, y'all. That is the end of my video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below, and stay tuned for my next videos. Y'all gonna want to stay and see all the different types of wigs that I review, so stay tuned.